All right, this is the fourth or maybe fifth day of my new laptop. So I would like to share some experiences about having a new laptop, how it actually feels. It's really a great thing for me that now I do have a laptop. Most of the students of our country wants a new laptop. If they do have a laptop, they think, oh, I do have a laptop. But after buying it, if you don't know how to control it, or if you do not have any ability, or if you do not have any knowledge or ideas how to control it or how to use it properly and efficiently, then it has no value. But it will be useful for you if you know how to control it or how to do some good works by using a laptop, or how to build your future by using a laptop. So now the reality is I do have a laptop. That's why I'm so happy, and I was so excited when I got it. I bought it last Friday, and that day was a red letter day for me. And that day was one of the best days in my life. I never ever forget that day. Yeah, and I truly thankful to all of my family members. And in this video I will share my excitement, I will share my happiness, and of course I will try to share how I bought it and what's my future plan, what kind of works I want to do, or what kind of things I will do by using my new laptop. Okay, so to begin with, I would like to show my gratitude to all my family members, because without their constant support, I couldn't reach today here. I truly thankful to all of them, especially to my mother and to my elder brother, because they are someone who always helped me throughout my journey. I truly thankful to them. Yes. And now let's tell you how the idea came to my mind that I will buy a laptop. Okay, at a night I was doing my study by sitting at the same position, and then my mother gave me the idea, because before buying my laptop I had been telling to my family members for the 6 months that I need a laptop. It will help me for becoming a better one in the future. But as I'm from a middle class family, so it was so difficult for my parents to afford a new laptop. That's why my mother gave me the idea, Porosh, how about if we take out a loan for you from a NGO? And then I talked about this topic with my father and of course with my elder brother. If they did not agree with me, maybe I couldn't buy a new laptop. That's why I truly thankful to my father and to my brother, because they agreed with me, and that is why all the thing happened. And now I do have a laptop, but before buying it I didn't know how to control it. And when I went to Dhaka, that was my first time I touched a laptop in my life. So I was so excited then. Okay, so now it has been 5th day of my laptop, and I'm so happy for it. Now the question is what kind of works I will do by using my laptop. Okay, so at first I want to develop my English, because I want to be a fluent speaker. Now I can speak English little bit, and hopefully this laptop will help me to be a someone, or like to be a better one in the future. And I need to take my English to the next level, and I want to help people for in their own English journey, because I have been learning English for the last 10 months, so I have some experiences that, and I learned these experiences throughout my journey. So I will try to share them with all my audience, and of course I'm teaching some students, and hopefully I will help them. And the next thing is I want to be a motivational speaker, because I really struggled a lot in my life, in my childhood, and that is why I want to be a motivational speaker, because I want to help people, and hopefully I will be able to be a motivational speaker, and this laptop is going to be helpful for me. Okay, so now if I show you This is my laptop. Actually, this is HP company's laptop, and the model name is HP EliteBook uh, 845 series. It's a very beautiful laptop. And if I talk about the trip to Dhaka on last Friday, I went there with my elder brother and some of his friends. And that day, as I mentioned, it was a red letter day in my life. And now I'm passing some galley days. Do you know what's called galley day? When you are so happy, you are passing your time with great joy. That's called galley day. And when I went to Dhaka for buying it, and we choose a shop, but before I didn't have any choice before buying it, and I just told the salesman that I want to do video editing on my laptops, and I want to teach people, and I also want to do something, some good works by using my laptop. And then he suggested me HP models laptop. That's why, and this is why I bought it, and it's really beautiful laptop, and I'm just waiting to see what I will do by using this laptop. And I also truly thankful to all of you guys, because the way you have been supporting me from the very first day, it's truly amazing and remarkable. Without your constant support, without your help, I couldn't reach here. And when I started my journey, I never thought that one day I would come here, I would make English videos, or I will inspire people. But now the reality is I'm inspiring some people. It's truly amazing thing for me. Yes. All right. And if we want to be a successful one, then we have to work with smart people, and we have to make so many mistakes. So that is why I separated myself from my friends. Now I always try to talk with smart people online, and I also try to make more and more mistakes, so that I can learn from my mistakes. Yes, life is really difficult, and life is very beautiful also if you know how to enjoy it. So just try to enjoy your life with your own resources. And as we all are learning English, so this would be our first priority. And hopefully you are also trying your hard and swell to improve your spoken English, and hopefully you, within a very short time, you also, you will be a fluent speaker, and then you will do something better, and you will be a better one in our society. That is the thing. And in our family, all the family members are really working so hard to do to bring the mail for our family, especially my father and my elder brother. And now I am also trying to as I said, do I do something better for my family. And hopefully by using my knowledge of English, and also by using the laptop, I will be able to do something big for my family, because I'm the only educated person in my family. So I have some responsibilities for my parents, for my family members, and they all are waiting to see my success. Yes, so the video is getting longer, and I think it's enough for today. I shared my happiness, and I also shared what I want to do in the future. And it's really a great thing for me that now I do have a laptop. Okay, so let me know if you do have a laptop, then feel free to share in the comment section what you want to do in the future by using your laptop, or what are you doing by using your laptop. Yeah, it feels amazing. It feels very, very wonderful having a new laptop. I'm so happy, but I didn't know how to control it. But now I learned. Now I'm learning some features how to control a laptop. Yes, and hopefully I will learn how to control my laptop, or how to do better things. Yes. So that's all for today. It's morning time, and I'm here in front of my study table, and I'm recording this video. As you can see, there is a photo of me back of me. So yeah, things are fine. So have a good day to all of you. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.